Making Waves Productions has been really pivotal in helping us storytell our work.
They are a talented crew. As you work more with them, they understand your vision even further and things get even easier and smoother, and then you also understand your product better.
It's kind of like our own employees. We're more of a family unit than some of the other companies we've tried to work with in the past.
Making Waves Productions helped us to meet our annual goal at our gala. It was an extremely important video to be able to inspire our supporters that their giving does make an impact. We actually collaborated on our paddle raise video for our annual gala and an instructional video on
the complete process of submitting an IGFA world record application.
We've been working with Megan and Tim for quite some time now, several years, and they've been not only helping storytell our mission, but really having that passion in the work that they do and coming in very creative ways to help tell our narrative and share it with the public and document also the changes on the reef. They've been with us through really every step of the journey.
We do a lot of technical support videos and repair videos. We get less requests since those videos have gone on our website, and then when we do, we have a great reference video to refer back to the customer.
For the instructional video on how to submit a world record, it was very important for our fishermen and fisherwomen to be able to see the exact process of how they can catch fish safely and ethically, and then be able to submit a world record to be able to go into our world record book and the history of king fishing.
We've always struggled internally to do our own video projects, so Making Waves Production has made that a lot easier, coming up with a concept of ideas and then bringing those ideas to life.
They actually are a true duo of both underwater videography and photography that complement each other very well. And so Megan and Tim have been able to really document our work with different angles and approaches through their own creativity, whether that's a video or a photo, and combining that's been very powerful for storytelling.
Filming on boats, in the office with all of our staff, editing, we had some very specific content. We provided that to them and they seamlessly put it into the videos. They did voiceovers. It was incredibly helpful to be able to have one company make a seamless production.
We just worked with Making Waves Productions on one of our biggest corporate events, and so that was a new experience with us, which involved interviews and also doing underwater content. It was incredible. It's often very complex. In most situations, you have to hire an individual videographer on land or photographer, and then same thing for underwater. And so being able to have a company that can address that from a full suite of ranges has been really great. And I think the value of having both of them through the whole process is being able to capture the whole production itself with one team. And I think that really creates the cohesiveness and enables us to storytell to a whole nother level.
All those different angles help us, whether it's flying a drone in the air to get an aerial view of the fish or underwater to see how lures operate. It was really important that they had all of those different skills to be able to bring them in to set our video apart.
They make the whole process fun. It's something that I don't particularly like doing videos. It's a lot of work, but they make it seem easy.
Making Waves tends to stay on the project till it's done.
It looks more presentable when you have nice videos on your website.
It has been a game changer, and it will continue to be so. And I think it's vitally needed to share our work.
We want our supporters to feel hopeful that they are making a difference. And so it's a very specific message that we need the video to be able to tell that story. And when we gave the script and that content to Tim and Meg, they seamlessly put it all together, and we not only met our fundraising goal, but we exceeded it.
If you need us, just give us a call. We're always here for you.